Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Bitcoin to the airport right now, and of course, can it fly or will it land into lower support levels? We are going to see the next price targets, and I hope that you're having a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now and start. So Bitcoin, as you can see, it is floating sideways for now. Okay, not many buyers, not many sellers going in. The inflows minus the outflows are getting less and less. That is good, okay, into the crypto exchanges. And right now we want to see what is the next price target and where are we going in the short, and maybe potentially to discuss a little bit about the long term. For the time being, Bitcoin's dominance sits at the 50-day MA. It is strangling right here. It won't be going higher, and BTC's dominance will get lower. That means that the altcoins dominance will get higher. So what we have here is an ascending triangle, and what we have right here is a descending triangle. The exact opposite, right? You can see the lower highs, and also you can see the fact that we have a crazily high risk with the commodity channel index. That means that we should not be going even higher for now. But as for the altcoins dominance, you will see that we are having the exact opposite things, and we are having a nice oversold situation, holding the line, and eventually we will be going higher from now on. So I am expecting Ethereum against Bitcoin as well to pull up and of course to get into the higher targets. I have a little bit of an old article right here, but I really did like it. It is the BIP 119. Okay, what they want to do right now is, I'm going to zoom in a little bit. Okay, so, all right. So a covenant similar to what is known as a smart contract on Ethereum blockchain. Okay, Covenant aims to bring more programmability to Bitcoin by allowing programmers to control how Bitcoins can spend in the future. I am a little bit opposed to that. Okay, I'm a little bit opposed, and I agree with Antonopoulos that says that the proposal could kill Bitcoin if it brings support for recursive covenants. Okay, this would create very significant challenges for Bitcoin. For instance, using a recursive covenant, a programmer could limit the list of addresses where Bitcoin could be sent in the future. So it will be more centralized in a way, okay, and you will end up maybe using more PayPal. That's what Antonopoulos said. I think that this is exaggerated, but anyway, yeah, the point here is that this proposal could implement some nice huge risk right there. It is a 26 April article right here, but I want to mention that if we are going to destroy ourselves, then we should be doing faster, so we know what actually is next, okay? Because we want a Bitcoin that is totally decentralized. Of course, we want it to progress and to step up, but we do not want the dangers of many people doing what they want, and after it doesn't have any credibility, any usability, and it is going to be wasted. Okay, we want to leave it as it is for now. We have many risks if we want to put another fork right here. So okay, so I guess that this is a bad thing to happen. All right, it's a soft fork proposal, as you can see, that aims to enable new use cases for the Bitcoin network by adding a type of covenant. It is good, but it can cause many problems. I will go and take the side of Antonop right here. Anyway, let's go back to the USDT price targets right there. And what are we going to see with Bitcoin is that we are going to have probably a pump towards the 31.8K. I'm not leaving this line right here. I'm not leaving this until we reach that and get rejected or close above. I'm only going to say that Bitcoin is not ready to have a crazy correction yet, and it is ready to climb above the 50-day MA on the 4-hour frame as well. Look at how nicely the 50-day MA and the 20-day MAs are playing right now. You can see that we stop exactly upon the 50-day MA line, correcting right here, and once we were closing above the 20-day MA, it was a matter of time to go to the 50-day exponential moving average. What I think about is that we can go even higher. There are so many people right there that suggest that Bitcoin is having and forming a bearish flag. flag. I do not agree with this matter. We are not into a bearish flag on the 4-hour frame. And of course, I do not agree that we are holding a very nice higher low structure right here. It is not the case. It is a biased trend line. Whenever you see bottom and top trend lines and technical analysts using so many of them, be careful. These are the same that we're saying back here, that because we are making higher lows, we are going to the all-time high, okay? And they were just saying after that, yeah, we lost the higher low pattern, therefore I did not expect the Bitcoin to drop down, while it wasn't a higher low that would get us all the way back up, and this was not an ascending triangle. You cannot make an ascending triangle something that it is not. Okay, so right here, if you are about to make it, then we should be making some higher lows, higher highs, and of course, the most probable scenario during 2022 was to correct. Maybe, yes, it was unexpected the fast that Bitcoin went down. Of course, we had here the 20-day MA closing below situation, and you can see that after we just get resistance level and then we went down, okay? At the same time, 80,000 Bitcoin was sold from Luna's company, LFT, okay? So right there, this was something that it wasn't meant to happen, but it happened, okay? And this pushed actually the price even further down. So for now, for the 4-hour frame, I'm still expecting the 31.8K. Yes, we can manage to go there. After that, as I already explained, it is to the airport, okay? If you're closing above on the daily or on the weekly frame, then you're going to the moon. If you're closing below, then you're going to land again into the lower support levels, possibly going to retest the 25K, okay? As you can see with BTC USD chart right here, okay, all-time, actually history index, we have already touched the 25.4K. We have approached a very, very huge lower low right here, okay? But right now, I think it is time to be getting a little bit higher. And of course, I do not know why many people do not actually notice the fact that we will be having altcoins pumping and going against Bitcoin chart. Okay, I do not know that, but all I know for now is that we should be taking into consideration the 31.8K, and yes, we still have chances into meeting this target, and of course to go even today maybe up there, we will see, or the next few days, okay? And after that, things are going to be complicated. Once we go to the 31.8K, we are going to discuss right there if we are going to find rejection or not. For the time being, pay attention to that, and also always remember that in neither of the Bitcoin cycle have we met the previous all-time high. For example, this low right here back on 24 December 2018 never met the previous all-time high of the previous cycle. So if we are going to go to the 20K, always remember that we are going to do something in the history of Bitcoin that we have never ever done, and this is something that we should be taking into consideration. Based on the facts, this could be potentially the 25.3K could be the bottom. Okay, as you can see, we hold the 50-day MA, but we need more confirmation right now. We need to see and to have a plan of the 31.8K, because trust me, it is one of the strongest resistance levels for the time being and for the next few days and for the next few weeks, but I think few days because we are going there pretty sooner. Okay, so do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/MindYourCrypto, to get the best out of the markets, and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.